Henry Ford once said, "Why do I have to pay for a whole person when all I want is a pair of hands?" This management mindset reflected much of the understanding of the industrial age, in which workers were only valued for their work output and weren't seen as whole people, certainly not people with lives outside of work. Conscientious organizations understand today they're not just hiring workers, they're hiring people. People who have many areas of their life outside of work. They have families, they have hobbies, maybe other part-time jobs, church, sports, other things outside of life, outside of work that are very important to them. One of the things that was true in the industrial age that unfortunately is still largely true today, even though we are in a more information-based economy, is that it is seen as okay for work to infringe upon one's personal life, but it is not okay for one's personal life to infringe upon one's professional life. Wise organizations understand that as they are hiring these people with these families and lives and interests outside of work, that they are also able to benefit from adopting work-family policies that are conducive to having a more balanced approach between work and life in order to avoid the work-family conflict dynamic. Some of these policies could be a generous family medical leave act type of policy. Other things can include supervisor and manager behaviors. For example, do managers expect their people, through the use of technology, to be reachable and available around the clock, after hours, on weekends and holidays, or even while someone is on vacation? Organizations understand that they can actually benefit by allowing their people to segment work away from their personal life and don't expect immediate responses on routine correspondence on after hours, weekends, and certainly while someone is on vacation. Organizations also benefit by understanding the implied messages they send with the behaviors they reinforce. If in an organization, only those who are recognized and promoted are the workaholics who put in 100 hours a week and are willing to sacrifice their health and their personal lives in order to get ahead, then they are sending a message to other members of the organization that those who are not willing to make those types of sacrifices are not going to get ahead. Then those people may take their talents elsewhere. And so organizations would be prudent to understand how their policies and their behaviors can help drive the type of people they recruit, how they treat people, and how they're able to retain talent and help avoid the work-family conflict.